Hello everyone and welcome back to my e-portfolio. Today I will be giving an overview of my latest project, the DynaScape front garden plan. DynaScape is an industry-specific design and business management software for landscape professionals only. What makes DynaScape an industry-specific software compared to other products such as AutoCAD is the available resources all built into the system itself. Other softwares require you to import more landscape-specific materials into the plan yourself, while DynaScape has everything a designer would need all in one place. Like in AutoCAD, this drawing started with importing a template from which we could create our design over. Acquiring a one-to-one scale in DynaScape is much more simple than in AutoCAD, as you can select 2 points and choose any distance to which your drawing will be scaled around. Our scaling was done with the front door of the house, which has a measurement of 3 feet. A big difference between AutoCAD and DynaScape is in the paper space tab. In DynaScape, the paper space and print scale is set before the drawing is started, while in AutoCAD, the completed plan is moved to the paper space, then rescaled into the viewport. The polyline tool in DynaScape has more functions than its counterpart in AutoCAD. DynaScape's polyline has built-in grip edits, which allow the user to create arcs rather than having a separate tool. This also allowed us to draw in the plant and mulch beds and the front walkway. The close polyline function also enables us to create enclosed boundaries, which was helpful in placing down the hatch patterns in the front patio. To use the close polyline, you first draw a border around the entire area you would like a pattern. Then another border must be placed around any objects within the first given area. For example, a second border was needed around the outdoor table on our patio in the image. A key difference between the layers in DynaScape and AutoCAD is that the layers are preloaded in this software. Besides the ones already equipped in the system, you can also add your own custom layers. The layers can be locked, toggled on and off, and you are able to color coordinate them to your drawing. The colors can also be changed based on your printing needs. The input and output colors can be changed if needed when printing on specific paper where some colors may not always appear. The figures in DynaScape are similar to the blocks used in AutoCAD. The big difference is that the figures are all preloaded into DynaScape as opposed to AutoCAD, where they needed to be imported from the web. The purpose of the figures is to add more scale, style, and a cleaner layout to your drawing. Some figures in my image include the shrubs, outdoor furniture, vehicles, trees, etc. You are able to search through the vast selection of figures, which can be rotated and resized to add more depth to your plan. A DynaScape-specific function is the plant label tool. This allows you to search any species of trees, shrubs, perennials, cactuses, you name it. This tool can also count clusters of plants, which help identify the species and quantity within the drawing. The cluster counting function also removes any overlaps within the drawing in those areas that have the same vegetation. After you browse DynaScape's plant database, there is also a plant chart that is auto-generated with the information of the plants used in the drawing. This is helpful to aid viewers in distinguishing between the different proposed plant species, as figures alone do not suffice for that. Overall, I very much enjoyed working in DynaScape rather than AutoCAD. At first, AutoCAD was easier to pick up, but the unique attributes found in this industry-specific software help tremendously when designing your plan. The model space, polyline tool, layers, figures, and plant label tool were all key components in setting DynaScape apart from AutoCAD in the world of landscape design. Thank you for watching my overview of my DynaScape front garden plan. Please do not hesitate to check back soon for more projects to come.